Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can use Basecamp in a really effective way. And also this is kind of a review of Basecamp. I like Basecamp, it's really lean, quick, and let's just start with it and I will show you everything. First, when you're in a home button and you see everything, you have first like this few in your menu. Things means that you can start a private chat with someone. Hey, this is news for you. When you have a project and someone messages you privately, you can see it also here, the notification. Then you have activity, what was happening in projects if you are owner of the account. Then you have, and you can see someone's assignments, etc. And then you have my stuff, and this is like, let's say that someone is going to give you assignments to do something. You will see it here, like my assignments, right? Create a graphic for Snapchat. And when you finish it, you just press this and goodbye. And then you can just find something. So, and let's go back to home. Now, first, I really like this pyramid here. The first one is your HQ. That's like your account. Then you have teams, and then you have projects. So when I click on first Marcus Stone, my own account, I have options here. This is like really just HQ, and you can just write here stuff that you're interesting, like the message board, announcement, etc. But what I really like about this is that you can upload here doc and files. So let's say that I'm going to upload doc here or file, a photo of me, and no one else can find it, no one else can see it, only me. This is like really cool. So this is just really quick introduction of your HQ, headquarters. You can also add someone like personal here if you want to communicate with him on a personal level. Then you have teams here. Teams are also a little bit all the same. So you can invite people. When you click on invite people, you can just easily click add people, and you will find here what do you want to add, email, title, etc. And then you just send the invitation and they just click on it and voila, you got it. So then you have message board that people can write there your team's ideas, post this message. And right now when I click on marketing team, we can see our idea here. Then we have to-do list, like, okay, what we need to work on. So everyone make finish certificate of Google Ads. Let's say add this list, and right now describe this to do. So right now nothing. Assignment to me. When done, notify me. Due on, let's say that I want to make it in the end of the February, and add this to do, right? So right now we have it. Right now, everyone, if you're gonna add more people here, they can also see the need to finish it. Then you have doc and files. Also, that's pretty simple. You just want to upload a file here for your team if you would like. And then you have campfire, that this is similar to Slack, that you can chat with other people. And then you have schedule. This schedule means like, okay, what is the next to-do list you need to do to accomplish? And then automatic check-ins. This is really great for leaders and owners of Basecamp account. So let's say that you want to check in. So that others team, yeah, edit this question. Marketing automate check-ins seen effortlessly. So how is your project going? And let's say they are once a week at Wednesday and beginning of the day. So right now, everyone is going to be in Wednesday reminded, and they are the system is going to ask the question, Basecamp is going to ask a question, how is it doing? How is your project doing? And this is like really cool thing. So when we have marketing teams, we can move on. Also, you can see team activity here. We go to home, and then you have projects. Really easy. Adding new project is simple. Just click new, and let's click here website reality. Okay, and now let's click on my website reality. Again, you can invite some people, You can add people, but now you have options. You can invite members to your team, but also you can add client. Let's say I'm going to make a website for a reality company, and I can add client to this project so he can watch it. How is the development going? That's really important. And now, which client is the project with? Reality. Okay. And now, who are you working with from reality? Name, email, title. Really simple. And add a personal note to the invitation email. You can also add, and you can just send now, and voila, he will get the email and he can join you. Really simple. So now we have it's the same as members, as a team. Team, everything here is like really similar. Now first you have message board that you can post announcements. Then you have to-do list, same, name this list, finish website. Like the tabs are all the same. It's like really same. Assigned to blah blah blah, due date, you know how it works. Then you have Dokkan Dokkan files to upload, Campfire to chat with your team. Hey there, if you have many colleagues here. And then you got schedule for important dates and shared schedule. It's like really easy, really cool. And then you have automatic check-ins for project, which is really cool. So let's say that I'm going to ask a new question, and I'm going to ask it, how is the project going, right? And I'm going to ask it on Wednesday and Friday, beginning of the day, yeah. And now, who do you want to ask? You just choose someone you got here, and you can just press start collecting answers. And right now, every Wednesday and Friday, they're going to ask about how the project is doing, and it's like really cool. So that's like really, really cool. And when I go my stuff here, again, I can see my assignments. And yeah, it's like really, this is completely easy, I think. So also what I want to show you, really easy way how you can delete projects. You just press here, and you can press archive or delete it, and you can just put it in trash if you want, or you can archive it, and then also you can rename the project if you would like. Reality of the world, which is also like pretty cool. And then how you can also remove the account. When you go to admin land, you can cancel this account. So that's kind of it. So this is how you use Basecamp. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can support me and subscribe. And if you have any questions about Basecamp, I'll be really happy to help you. So thank you, have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.